Hi, this is Andrew from Stardom. This short video is aimed at Stedford or Dance Festival administrators or conveners who are needing to download competitor files that they've previously uploaded through their login. We're using last year's Wollongong Stedford data. Tony Purdon, who is the president up there, has been extremely uh, wonderful in the way he's worked with us to create this particular facility, and I'm sure he's okay with us using his data. I think he's used it in his own PowerPoint presentations. So basically, to do the downloading, you go to the Event Day menu and you pick the session file download. And it will default to the most recent year that's in your list. So we will pick 2021. Now it's going off to just compile the list of sessions from that year. The reason it's doing sessions is that's how we actually do the downloads on a session by session basis. So we recommend that you complete your entries and do your programming, getting the sections in the right sessions and the competitors in the order that you want to actually do, and any splits and any combinations done. And then we let the competitors go for maybe a period of 4 weeks. And after that, hopefully the majority of them have uploaded their files and you can start the download process. So to actually download, here's the list of sessions that Wollongong ran last year. You just come in and you click on the session and you hit OK. Now I won't actually do it because it's probably going to be somewhere around a 200 or 300 megabyte download for all of the various files that the competitors have uploaded. That takes 5 to 10 minutes. So what I've done is I've prepared one earlier. So if I just drag along, what you'll get in your download file, or download folder I should say, is something like that, report.zip. What I do is copy it or cut it, depending on what you want to do. I'll just copy it. And on the machine that you're going to use for playing these at the venue, I'd create a series of folders or a folder for each session and name it in such a way that it will give you the sequence of those sessions. So in this case, year 21, month 6, 0, I think that's a 3, and then the time in 24 hours. So it'll just give you that natural ordering. So then go into, say, the folder that you're working with or the session you're working with and paste in your zip file. Let's paste, there it is. Now, I'm using a product called 7-Zip, which is a free download. And I know it's definitely available for all Microsoft platforms. It's possibly an Apple version as well. If you right click on that, you'll see 7-Zip there and you can open the archive. What I'll actually do is just choose this nice little option here, which is extract here. And so it goes away and extracts all the files and sticks them in the folder that you're currently working with. Now, first thing you'll notice, if I just make sure I'm sorting correctly, is it's got a particularly long name. Now that's fine, but the reason we've done that is we've appended to the start of every file's name, firstly the date you're actually going to use it, so the 3rd of June 2021, the time of the session, so 1:30 in 24-hour terminology, the sequence of the section, the actual section number, in this case it's a combine section, and then the sequence of the competitor's name, the sequence of the file. Now in most cases it's just 01, but if there's a requirement for 2 files, then you can actually set that up for, say, championship type sections where 2 performances are required, and then the original name of the file, and that's what the actual competitor would have uploaded, was changecountry.mp3 in this particular case. And so this gives you a natural running sheet that you can just work down and just basically double click, and you probably can't hear that, but it's actually playing that song now. So that's basically it to the download process, and you just repeat that for each of the sessions that you're running. We'd recommend doing the first of these maybe a couple of days before your first day, just to make sure. Um, and the other thing I'll show you is that over in the reports section, under data extracts, we have a report which is basically a running sheet and it's called running sheet with downloaded files. And this just takes a little bit to load, but what it does is it shows you all the sections, and it might help if I pick 2021, which I'll do now, being the year we were looking at. So sorry, it'll just take a few seconds to load it. Now what this does is it basically gives you the sequence of the sessions, the sequence of the competitors and the sections, and more importantly, it gives you the extra details about the actual upload of the files. So just hopefully it'll load. It does take a while. It's actually loading the entire Wollongong Eisteddfod at the moment. Almost there. Sorry about this delay. Right, finally got there. All right, now over on the right-hand side is the information you've actually asked them to provide when they do the upload. So it gives you the date and time they actually did the upload. It gives you the file name that they actually used. It tells you if they want to be on stage when you start the file or off stage, and other comments might be applicable, and it's really up to you what you asked for. We can set it up to ask for the composer, but we generally always ask for what the title of the piece is. So that's basically all of the data. In this case for Wollongong, they gave them the choice of having a backing track, but they also have the accompanist option as well. And I believe in some cases no backing whatsoever. So that's basically it, and you can easily click on Excel and download that to a spreadsheet and use it as a landscape type running sheet at the venue. And where there are gaps, and if one of the competitors actually turns up, it basically means they're either not using a backing track or they just haven't uploaded it. So I'd always encourage the competitors to be bringing along a backup copy of their music just in case. But as I said, it's definitely worth downloading this a day or two in advance, just to make sure that everything's worked fine. So that's basically it. I thank you for watching this video. Sorry about the delay in this spreadsheet, this data extract loading. Please send me any questions if you don't fully understand the process. And certainly contact us if you'd like to use the music download and music upload facility in this year and any future years. Thank you.